How to make homemade pepper spray as deer repellent. Deer repellents work by making treated plants smell and taste bad to the animals. They successfully reduce deer damage to plantings, and work best where the populations are low to moderate in number. Although these substances will not completely eliminate all possible damage, repellents do help quite a bit. This recipe is quick and easy to make, and deer absolutely detest it. Apply it to the plants that you want to protect from the animals every 2 weeks, and immediately following bouts of rainfall. Things you will need: 4 to 6 large, fresh habanero peppers, 1/4 cup ivory dish liquid, 3 large eggs, 3 large cloves of garlic, 2 cups fresh scallions or green onions, 2 tablespoons powdered cayenne pepper, 2 cups water, blender, cheesecloth or coffee filters plant sprayer. Puree the habaneros, garlic cloves and scallions or green onions in a blender. Add the eggs and puree the mixture again. Pour the water into the blender and add the cayenne pepper. Liquefy the ingredients for 1 or 2 minutes. Add 1/4 cup ivory dish liquid. This will make the pepper spray stickier so that it will adhere well to your plants. Liquefy the mixture. Strain the pepper spray through cheesecloth or coffee filters. Fill your plant sprayer with the repellent and apply it to your plants.